Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Robinhood desktop. First, log into your account on the Robinhood website. You'll see your portfolio value and recent activity on the main dashboard. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific stocks or cryptocurrencies. The left-hand menu provides access to your account, statements, and settings. It's designed for a straightforward user experience. To buy a stock, search for it and click Trade then Buy. Enter the number of shares or a dollar amount, then review and submit your order. Selling is just as simple. Select the stock from your portfolio and choose Sell. You can also set limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. Always check the current market price before confirming any trade. Managing your funds is straightforward. Click Transfers to deposit money from your linked bank account or withdraw funds. You can view your past transactions and monthly statements under the History section. For tax purposes, your Form 1099 documents are easily accessible here too. Adjust your notification preferences to stay informed about market movements or account activity. Robinhood Desktop offers advanced charting features to help you analyze trends and make informed decisions. You can also explore options for fractional shares, allowing you to invest with smaller amounts, and set up recurring investments to build your portfolio over time. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. These tools can enhance your investing strategy significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.